All Versa58 scales snap directly onto your 58mm Swiss Army knife. You just align the holes on the back with the rivets on your Swiss Army knife, press down, and then slide it until you see that arm click in. Now it's locked on. If you don't have a Swiss Army knife, you can still carry Versa58 scales using MagMount plates. MagMount plates magnetically attach to Versa58 scales, so you can take two scales, attach them to the MagMount plates, and then they magnetically snap together. And finally, if you want to attach Versa58 scales to your Swiss Army knife magnetically, you can do that with MagDock plates. MagDock plates snap on to your Swiss Army knife just like Versa58 scales. Once you get these on, you take the scales that already have mag mounts on them and they magnetically attach to both sides. Here's a simple breakdown of the three methods. You can attach Versa58 scales directly to your Swiss Army knife mechanically. This is the default method, so no magnets are required to use Versa58 scales. You can use the mag mount, which allows you to attach two Versa58 scales magnetically to each other, or you can use MagDock and MagMount to attach Versa58 scales to your Swiss Army knife magnetically.